Today you will learn how to merge two shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First of all, select Rectangle tool and create a rectangle of 400 by 400 pixel. Now create a circle of the same size. Let me place it here. Now select both shapes and remove the stroke to 0. Fill any color in both shapes. Now let me place the circle shape on the square like this. Now if I want to remerge these two shapes, select both shapes. Grab the shape builder tool. When you move the cursor on these shapes, shape builder tool lets you decide how you want to build your shape. Now I can create 3 different parts of this shape. If I select these 3 parts at a time, shape builder tool will merge these parts into one shape. So you can see this is a one shape now. If I change the fill color, you can see this is a single shape now. The second method is go to Window, Pathfinder, choose Unite option. Both shapes are merged now. Another method is select both shapes and choose Merge option in Pathfinder panel. Now these shapes looks like a one shape, but these are still two different shapes. If you double click on one of these shapes, you can still edit them individually. So I hope you have learned how to merge two shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.